Okay, so today we're going to be talking about parallel lines and perpendicular lines. We want to use this formula, slope formula. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you're always going to need at least 2 points, okay? And that's what you want to focus on, okay? The slope formula. So if I'm given 2 points and another set of 2 points, I can tell what type of lines these have, whether they have parallel lines or perpendicular lines. Parallel means same slope, okay? Perpendicular means opposite reciprocal, okay? Very, very important that you guys understand this. This is opposite reciprocal, okay? Now, opposite reciprocal means flip and reverse. At least that's what Mr. Moreno uses. Flip and reverse. Okay. Opposite reciprocal means flip and reverse. Parallel means same slope. Perpendicular means opposite reciprocal. These are some key things that you're going to need to know in order to tell whether the lines are parallel or perpendicular. So let's go over some set of points. Let's say I have a line. Let's call it -4, 7 that goes through these 2 points, and -6, -4. Okay, I want to find the slope of this line. So I need to label x1, y1, and x2, y2. Okay, I'm using my slope formula, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay. Okay, the best thing for you guys to do is write your slope with the minus symbol so that you don't confuse yourself. Okay, when I'm labeling this y2 minus y1, that's -4 minus 7 over -6 minus -4. Notice this -4, that minus symbol doesn't go with it, so we're going to have to do some extra pieces. So -4 minus 7 is -11. -6 minus -4, we have to do what we call a change. So that's actually -6 plus 4, which gives us 2, right? So that's -11. Sorry, -11 over -2, because -6 plus 4 is -2, or a slope of 11 over 2. Don't forget to reduce. So that's slope formula, just in case you guys were wondering, okay? And that's how you want to use it, okay? Let's say that we're looking for specific slopes, right? Okay. We're looking for parallel slopes. So we have the lines, our perpendicular lines, is opposite reciprocal. So we have these sets of points. Okay. We'll say one set of points is a line. So let's call this line A, right? Line A goes to the point 2, 4, and also 4, 5. Sorry, that's the bell. Okay, we label x1, y1, x2, y2, and we use our slope formula. Okay, make sure you put your minus symbols in between. Okay, y2 minus y1, 5 minus 4 over x2 minus x1, 4 minus 2. 5 minus 4 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2. So the slope of line A is 1/2. Okay, let's look at line B. Okay, and line B will have these sets of points, which we'll say is going to be 4, 1 and 8, -7. Again, we use the same slope formula, so we got a label, right? We label our points x1, y1, and x2, y2. We're using our slope formula. So minus, minus, and let's go ahead and input our points. y2 is -7 minus y1, which is 1, x2, which is 8, minus x1, which is 4. Okay? -7 minus 1 equals -8. 8 minus 4 is 4. -8 over 4 equals a -2. Okay? So I have one slope that's 1/2 and I have another slope that's -2. Well, they're not the same, so they're not parallel, right? Okay. Well, how do I tell if they're perpendicular? Well, let's do the opposite reciprocal. Opposite reciprocal of 1/2 means we flip it. So let's flip 1/2. We get +2 over 1. Now let's reverse 1/2. or sorry, let's reverse positive 2 over 1. That gives me negative 2 over 1. And negative 2 over 1 is equal to negative 2. So that means that line A and line B are perpendicular. There's this little upside down T that represents perpendicular. Okay, parallel means the same slope, so they'll actually equal the exact same number once you reduce. Perpendicular means flipped and reverse. Hopefully this helps.